Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to hire a car on the Virgin Australia application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then click on the book button down below, which is the second option, and then click on the hire a car option in the middle of the screen. Now you should wait a few seconds till the page loads, and after that click on accept down below, scroll down, and first of all you should select whether the drop-off location will be the same, or you can set it to a different drop-off location. So first of all type in the pickup and drop-off location if you have selected the first option at the top. Select the pickup and drop-off date on this calendar. Click on choose these dates down below. Here you can select from the pickup and drop-off times, select the driver's age and the points, whether you would like to earn or use any points. Now as you can see, the app is searching for the best offers in your selected location. You might need to wait a few seconds, so here you can filter them out. Here you can see the results, tap on relevant one, and then you will be directed to the website where you can finalize the process of hiring a car. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.